Hey folks, welcome back to Green Iron TV. So as you can see, we've got the 57mm anti-tank gun out, and we're going to work on today. We got it out of the garage. Now that we have wheels on it and have it rolling, I wanted to get it out, and we're going to hit it with the power washer and knock just all the stuff off of it. There's gravel stuck in every little crevice and orifice. There's leaves, debris stuck down in everything. Plus it's got a moss and fungus that have grown all over it. And so we're going to work on power washing all that off so that we can get this thing ready to send it over to the sandblaster and get it all cleaned up, and be looking forward to getting this thing in paint soon. So that's what we're going to do today on Green Iron TV. Like always, thanks for watching. Make sure you give us a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and please check out the link down below for all the merchandise in the Green Iron TV merchandise store. And thanks for watching. Touch too far. Okay, got her all hooked up. Let's drag it outside for the first time on these newer wheels, and we'll start scrubbing on this thing a little bit, trying to knock some of the heavy stuff off. So here's one of the reasons why I wanted to power wash this before taking it to the sandblasters, is you pick up unique things like this. Like, obviously there was some sort of symbol there. Don't know if it was, looks about the same size as like a bridge weight marking, but no real idea there. And I haven't found anything in pictures that show it. But one of the kind of interesting things that came about after power washing the dirt and mud and moss and stuff is, as you can kind of see, someone painted it camouflage. So, you know, this thing's got tons of layers of paint on it. And, you know, we can see the dark green that was the original paint down underneath. But probably somewhere while it was at the American Legion post, it was painted this lighter color green, and someone probably spray bombed some camo swirls and stuff, and it's not just, it's all over. So someone definitely camoed this thing to give it a good camo look at some point. So no idea when that was done, but it's, you know, it's on the arms, it's on the legs, you know, it's even on the back sides of the shields. So that's kind of something cool to pick up that we couldn't even really see before, because there was just so much crud and stuff on this thing. And of course we can see the nice 57mm markings. And over here on this side, we have the original data tag is still on the vehicle, and that's cool to see. So there is the original data tag. So we're going to make sure we preserve that when it goes to the sandblasters, and make sure that doesn't get destroyed. But yeah, some interesting things that pop up when you power wash something that's been sitting outside for 70 years. Okay, what better way to dry it off than to take it for a little spin around the block? Let's see how this thing tows. Hopefully this view from up here on top of the 50 cal on the back of the 715, hopefully it's not too bad of a view and you'll be able to see what's going on. So let's try that again, see if you'll stay up. Tighten that out a little bit. All right, let's try that. Well, there you have it. For the first time in probably 70 plus years, this thing rolled out and along the road. So, making progress. Well, folks, there you have it. Now that we have the Cannon on wheels, We were able to get it out, power wash it, find some of those cool markings, see that somebody had painted it camouflage, and you know, just get this thing cleaned up and ready. And of course, we took it first spin around the block. Like I said, this is probably the first time in 70 plus years that this thing has rolled around on the roads. Did great, towed really fine behind the 715. Barely even knew it was back there. So definitely will be no problem once parade season comes around and we start, you know, towing this in the parade for the on behalf of the American Legion. So now that we got it to this stage, I did rearrange it here in the garage. I backed it in so it's a little bit easier to hook up to the 715. Now we have it a little bit mobile. We're gonna try and see what kind of arrangements we can make with the sandblaster to get it over to the sandblaster next, and get this thing knocked down and get it in some prime, some paint, and who knows, fingers crossed. You know, the Veterans Day, we're going to have a Veterans Day parade on November 9th for the first time in the area. So I'm going to do a little bit of scrambling, and let's see if I can get it ready for that. And at least I know if I don't have time to get it to the sandblasters and stripped, I do know that in its current state right now, it will tow just fine in the parade. So we will we'll do that if need be. So anyway, like always, I want to thank you for watching along. This is going to be a neat little bit of a series here as we work on this 57mm anti-tank cannon. You know, we're plugging along. It's fall now, and it won't be long. We'll be into winter here in Michigan, and you know, that'll be slowing things down for work in the garage. So you know, we're scrambling to try and get as much done here for the fall as we can. So I want to appreciate you guys for watching along, and of course, like always, please give us a like, leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. We are getting close. We're approaching, you know, the magic 1,000 subscribers. We're getting close. So, you know, if you're debating on it, just hit that subscribe button and follow along. And I'm sure you'll enjoy all the good green iron we throw at you. So, like always, take a moment, check out the link in the description down below for the Green Iron TV merchandise store. We have hats like the Green Iron hat, t-shirts, sweatshirts. It is fall. It's getting to be nice to be able to get you know, a nice fall sweatshirt. So check that link out. And of course, as always, I do appreciate every one of you guys watching. And like always, thank you very much. You guys have a great day.